guys, good morning. Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I am here with my Walmart grocery haul. Today is Friday, December 21st. So going into the week of Christmas, which is just crazy to me. This haul was $145. There is like one item that's not grocery or food, but I'll share that too, but that made the total a little bit higher. So I'm filming this on my kitchen table today because this is a little bit bigger haul than usual, so I thought I would just do it over here and give myself some more room. So I'm going to run through everything I got with you today. I got some mini Poland Spring waters for my son, some Gatorade Flow. This is in the Title Punch flavor for Matt's lunches. I got some mini fruit marshmallows because my son and I are going to make like a peanut butter marshmallow kind of bar thing that we found a recipe for online. So we're going to do that together. I got some Annie's cheddar bunnies. I got some of these Kind bars. This is the caramel, almond, and sea salt. I specifically got these because Christmas break is actually starting today. And Grady's off for a couple weeks, and we are going to be on the go nonstop. So I want to have just random snacks in my bags with me for me, so that when we're out, I'm not, tempted to get something, fattening or fast food. I just want to have little snacks. So I got these. I'm also going to make up little baggies with like nuts and dried fruit, stuff like that, just so I have things on hand. I got a sweet potato for a ham dinner. I got some chicken wings that I am probably going to open this up and portion it out into two portions, just because I can get 2 dinners out of this for my husband and I. I got some red enchilada sauce to restock the pantry from the one that I used up. I got a Friendly's brand ice cream cake because today is my husband's actual birthday, but I'm going to freeze this because we are having 2 separate little parties for him. We're having one tomorrow on Saturday and one on Sunday, so I got this for one of those parties. I also got these little happy birthday letters to put on here because it came just plain, so those are going to go with the cake. I got some of the Hormel cheddar pepperoni. I got a lot of questions about this when I showed it in a what's for lunch video. It's just cheddar cheese with pepperoni in it, and it's the Hormel brand, and Walmart sells it in their deli. I also got some Walmart or some Salins brand ham from Walmart, which is my favorite ham. I got this Simply Jif creamy peanut butter for those marshmallow bars that my son and I are going to make. I got orzo for some Italian wedding soup that I'm going to make for Christmas Eve to help out my mom. Some wet cat food for the cat. 2 boxes of the Rice-A-Roni Spanish style rice, which is really good rice for a shortcut rice. My son's less sugar granola bars. Some Great Value sausage, egg, and cheese croissants for Matt in the morning. I got some pretzel sticks, which my son likes, and actually I've been snacking on them too. I got some Cheetos Puffs and a big bag of the Tostitos Scoops because we eat a lot of those as well, especially on football. I got some of the Walmart brand, the Sam's Choice sweet Hawaiian rolls, like hamburger rolls, but I'm going to use them for sandwiches for Matt. I also grabbed this Pepperidge Farm. This is the limited edition baked apple with caramel bread. I got this specifically for French toast, but I can also obviously use it for breakfast. Some Parm cheese. I got some green onions as well as some celery. I got some of this beef shaved steak because I'm going to do like Philly cheesesteak style sandwiches like here in the picture. I did that a few weeks back. And they were really, really good. So I'm going to do those again at some point. I got some Jimmy Dean regular pork sausage for recipes. I got some baby spinach for the Italian wedding soup. Some cage-free large brown eggs. I got a honey-cured double glazed spiral cut boneless ham. And I always try to get the smallest one. This was the smallest one I could find. It is just over 2 pounds because my husband and I will eat this. Our son does not really eat a lot of meat, if any. So this will be for my husband and I. We can get a dinner out of this. I can get a leftover meal for myself, and then I can also get some extra ham that I can use in like a quiche or something like that. Very excited about this. My husband really likes the Great Value brand coffee creamer. He just recently, I got him the peppermint stick one, and I'm not a fan of flavored creamers, but I actually tried the peppermint one and it was really good. So we just ran out of that, so I thought I would grab this one, which I'm very excited about for him. It's the Danish butter cookie flavored creamer. So I try them all, like if they're new, but I really like the peppermint one, and I'm really excited to try this one. I might become a convert and switch to like flavored creamers because the other one's that good. And this is much cheaper than like the Coffee Mate or International Delight brand as well. We've been loving these, the Great Value brand wedges. They're $1.58 for these huge bags, guys. My husband loves these, my son loves these, and even I have been making these. Like if I'm working at home and I make a sandwich for lunch, I'll throw some of these in like the toaster oven. And it's just kind of a nice like substitute for fries, and they bake up really crispy, so I highly recommend these. They're, again, the Great Value wedges. They're already seasoned. I just spray some cooking spray on a like baking sheet, bake them. I try and flip them halfway, and they always come out really crispy, and they're really, really good. $1.58 for a 32-ounce bag, so I actually got 2 of them because they're so good. I got some Coke Zero for myself, and then I also got this Clear American like sparkling peach drink, 0 calorie kind of drink. So I got these for me. This will last me a good long while. I also got some Downy infusions. This is the Cashmere Glow fabric conditioner. I really love this stuff. And then lastly, when I was going to the register, the clothes section is there. And I love finding cute things at Walmart. I literally stopped dead in my tracks when I saw this. I am so excited to try this on and see how it looks. But it is like a hooded, chunky, cozy sweater. The brand is Time and True. I love this brand. Let me see if I can open it up a little bit here. It's just like a chunky knit, really soft hooded sweater. It was $16.94. They had it in a few other colors. They had it in black and white, like a Tiffany blue and white, pink and white. So this one I was most attracted to, the gray and white. So I'm going to try this on after I film the haul, and if I love it, I'll probably get a couple more because I got it I got a large. Normally I'd probably be a medium in this, but I got it a large. I was even debating getting an extra large because I want it to be nice and chunky and long and like cover my butt so I can wear it with leggings or skinny jeans. So yeah, I'll definitely let you guys know how this is. I'm sure I'll post something on Instagram before you guys are even seeing this haul, since today when I'm filming this, it's Tuesday and you guys are seeing this on Friday. But yeah, check out this brand. I found a lot of great things from this brand at Walmart. All the things I'm finding from this brand are all under $20. I mean, are they gonna last years and years? No, probably not. But to spend, you know, $16, $15 and get a, you know, a good amount of time out of a piece, that's worth it to me. So again, I'll keep you posted on this. You guys will probably already know something before you see this haul. Anyways, this is what I got. I don't really have a meal plan, but I am going to show you what the game plan is for next week so you can see why I don't have a meal plan. So just hang tight for that and I'll show you what's up for next week. Alright guys, so with the upcoming week being Christmas, let me show you like what's going on, because it's not really a meal plan, but I kind of just wanted to run down like what our dinners looked like, because I know that everybody kind of has different scenarios during the holidays. So this Sunday, which is the 23rd, we're going to my in-laws' house for an early Christmas dinner, as well as to celebrate Matt's birthday, since his birthday is so close to Christmas, and my in-laws are not going to be here on actual Christmas. They're going out of town. So that's why we're celebrating with them on Sunday, Matt's birthday and Christmas dinner. Monday, Christmas Eve, I go to my mom's every year, unless obviously the times I wasn't living here. And we do our main event on Christmas Eve. So we do several different courses of all different things. My mom just does what her mom did, and you know, that kind of thing. It's kind of just like a family tradition. So it's very complicated to explain all the food on here, but I will get clips as I have been doing or trying to do, like on holidays and birthdays. And I will include those clips like with a voiceover in my next What's for Dinner video, which is going to be up next week after Christmas. Probably within a few days after Christmas, I'll have that up. So you guys will be able to see what we had for Christmas Eve dinner, because it's like a big event. We have a lot of food. And then Christmas Day, my mom makes a tray of lasagna, because she does, again, Christmas Eve is our main event. So Christmas Day, it's very simple, low-key lasagna that my mom makes. Wednesday, the 26th, Matt and I are gonna have leftovers from both Christmas Day and Christmas Eve, so we'll have like lasagna and a bunch of different leftovers from Christmas Eve. So Wednesday we won't have to worry about cooking. Thursday I wanna do a no meat day, since these days are pretty heavy on meat. So I wanna do French toast using that apple caramel bread that I showed you guys. I'll do some home fries, and then I'll do some fruit, so no meat. And then Friday the 27th, I wanna do Philly cheesesteaks with that shaved steak, some potato wedges, and I'll make some side salads. And then Saturday the 29th is Matt's company party. They're doing like a late Christmas / New Year's company party at a 5-star restaurant here, well, like near our house, sort of, called the Wishing Well. Matt and I actually went to the Wishing Well for our anniversary. It's a very expensive, like fine dining experience, so it's a real treat that we get to go there. Anytime you get to go there, but especially when it's on company money, because it's, again, a New Year's and Christmas party. So yeah, that's the upcoming week. So that's why I said last week that I really wasn't gonna have too much of a meal plan. But that's the food situation for next week. I will have a new video up, probably Christmas Eve, guys. Possibly maybe either the 23rd or the 24th. I'm not sure yet. I'll have a new video up. And then I'll have my normal 3 videos up next week. I just don't know what days, since it's the holiday. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Be safe out there if you're doing last minute stuff for the holidays. And I will see you guys with a new video either Sunday or Monday. Bye, guys.